It's Burr Wally. Big blunt burning. Webcam jam. I'm so high I don't even know what I want to say. Like, let me just talk about myself, since I'm good at doing that. Today I just dropped a new single for the mixtape, What's Life? It's called She Got It. Not putting that on the internet. Doing a little bit of singing, doing a little bit of laughing. You know I'm smoking. Well, fuck it. I'll give y'all a little fucking freestyle for the birds, bitch. Alright, look. I pop a bar and then I eat some stars. Talking about that purple E, it got me rolling hard. They see me in the car, yes, I'm breaking laws. Me, Mac, Jake, and Mark, that nigga, he's a boss. Not really though, but yo, he will ride out. Creeping from the cops, cause we try and find a hideout. Dirty ass bitches walking around with a sign out like, give me work, give me crack, I don't care, I'm diamond now. Damn snitches, fuck you when I find out. Damn snitches, fuck you when I find out. I'ma spank your little ass and put you in the timeout. Hello?
Hey,
What's up?
I'm on Delphi Drive, and I just went over it, like, under the underpass,
Mm-hmm.
right by Taco Bell, and that dude, Rich,
Yeah.
Richard, whatever that we work with,
Uh-huh.
some guy just, like, ran up on him in camouflage pants and a black shirt and handcuffed him.
For real?
Yeah, and
They
then
handcuffed him?
he's walking to a bus stop or something,
Handcuffed
right?
him?
Yeah, handcuffed him. Had his hands behind his back. Like, I just watched it happen. There was no other cops in it. It was just one guy.
It was just a
Undercover
DT
cop
or
or
something?
something.
Damn.
I know he got nowhere because he was all in black.
Wow. And then some dude that was just in plain clothes ran up and handcuffed him.
He had like boots on, like hot boots kind of, but he had camouflage pants and a black shirt.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. I don't know, I just like, wow. I just called him to tell you.
Alright, well, I'll talk to you in a little bit then. Alright, be safe. Alright, bye. Damn, my man just got cuffed up. DTs just ran up on him at the bus stop, bitch. That shit's crazy. Where the fuck was I at? Oh yeah, I'ma spank your ass, yeah, and put you in a timeout. Not preschool, nor kindergarten. Slay him like a Spartan, put his face on the milk carton. Fuck a snitch, they're better off dead. The cops bag me, I'm leaving everything unsaid. Mouth's on zip. Leaving everything unsaid. I'm out of here, man. I'm too high for this shit right now, son.